Spider-Man push-ups start in a push-up position, then as you move your chest closer to the floor, lift your right leg close to your elbow, then go back up to the starting position and do the same with left side. Repeat 15 times. Next workout, buzz saw planks. Start in a low plank position, rock forward and then backward. Repeat 15 times. Next workout, plank knees to elbow. To perform plank knees to elbows, start in a plank position. Bring one knee towards the elbow on the same side, then return to plank. Alternate sides, maintaining core stability throughout. Repeat 15 times. Next workout, high and low plank. Lie face down in a push-up position. Press up into a push-up. Your body should be in a straight line from heels to the top of your head. Repeat 15 times.
Please subscribe my channel Exercise Zone and like, comment, share. See you in the next video.